Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you really quickly how you can permanently delete your account on X, previously known as Twitter. So let's get right into it. All you need to do, guys, is log into your Twitter or X account, of course. And the method I'm going to show you applies to both device types, desktop, computer, as well as mobile. All you need to do, guys, is click on these three dots here in the bottom left corner on your home feed to access your account settings by clicking on settings and account here. Sorry, settings and privacy. And here inside your account settings, head over to your account. After that, here to the right, choose deactivate your account. Find out how you can deactivate your account, which we are going to do. So guys, you can do that and delete your account permanently by clicking on that deactivate button here at the bottom, and X will ask you to confirm your decision by simply entering a password here. Now, of course, I'm not going to do that because I would like to keep my X account, but if you'd like to do that, simply enter your password here and confirm by clicking on deactivate there. Just remember, guys, that if you do this, your account will not be permanently deleted right away, but after a time period of 30 days, during these 30 days, you will have the chance or the opportunity to restore your account if you have, for example, accidentally deactivated it. So it will only be deactivated temporarily, and after these 30 days your account will be deleted permanently, so that you will lose access to all of your account, to all of the associated passwords, saved data, content, posts, tweets, etc, etc. So guys, make sure you're 100% sure before you take that step. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.